Hey guys, it's Amanda, also known as Amateur Aries, and today we're doing something I haven't done in a long time, which is a hair tutorial. I had done a how to straighten your hair back when I first started doing makeup videos, and I figured why not do an update, although nothing really has changed, but I am reviewing a product that is a hair straightener. I figured why not? Let's do a hair straightening update video. So that is what we're doing today. Now, the company who sent this hair product to me forgive me if I mispronounce this wrong, Duvolle. They're the ones who sent this beautiful professional styling iron. It has the website on it and everything. I'll show you it in a second. You can get a 70% off promo code using Amateur Aries 70 in your next purchase. Inside, I haven't opened the actual package itself. I just opened this to make sure that I got the right one, because you never know. I was able to choose which iron I wanted or which hair product I wanted, and I figured let's do an update hair straightening product, hair straightening look. So I got the most expensive one because I wanted to try it to see if it's worth the price. I honestly cannot remember the price of this product, so I'm going to put it right here because I most likely will forget it now, because that's what I just did. So let's get started, because this can take a long time. So I'm just gonna get this out of its package. Oh, it comes with something else. I didn't notice. This is what it looks like. It is rounded on the edges, so if you want to do a curl instead, you can. And it even moves nicely with the wiring right here, which allows it to, turn easier when you're doing hair curling. There's an on and off button, and there's the temperature gauge right here. Well, it's not really a gauge. There's little lights right here. I don't know if you can tell. And the temperature it says right here, but it doesn't say. Doesn't look like you can pick which temperature you want. Oh, I got gloves. I don't use gloves because I find it actually difficult to use gloves. Or a glove. It looks like it's cotton. It's a cloth glove. Let's see how it fits. Fits nice and snug, but I seem to lose control whenever I have gloves on. Like, I lose more control in my hand than if I weren't having gloves on. So I'm just gonna not have gloves on for this. So let's get started with this look. Let me untie this. If you hear noises in the background, those are my cats. I have to have the door open because I'm expecting a package today, and it was expensive, and usually expensive packages you need to sign. So I need to make sure I can hear the doorbell ring if it gets here. It said it was supposed to get here today, but it said it's going to probably be delayed till tomorrow, but just in case you want to be here anyways. Let's turn it on. And there's a blue light right here, I think you can see, and it most likely will go up in heat, I think. Oh no, you do control the temperature. You just click the power button and you can control the temperature. I'm going to do it at 410 Fahrenheit because I don't know how hot this thing really gets. I don't know how strong it is, so I don't want to take the chance. There is rubber that actually protects it from landing, this part landing on the surface, so that's good. I didn't notice that until I put it down. Yeah, it's keeping it nice and steady where it's sitting. So what we're going to do is we're going to brush our hair into the style you normally would have it. I usually just do it in splits and then I flip it over at the end. But that's just me. And then I'm going to take my heat protectant, which I'm using Chi 44 Iron Guard, and I'm going to spray it all over my hair. Like so. And then I'm just gonna massage it in, like, well, not massage, I'm gonna comb it in like this. And then I'm gonna use my brush again. I do that with the fingers because I just feel like it just gets through the hair easier. I'm guessing the red light means that it's not to the heat yet. So we're gonna sit here and wait till it gets to the heat. So far, how do I like this product? I like that it does have some curve to it. which allows it to be able to make curls, which I'm really excited about. I'm going to definitely try that one day. If you guys would like to see how to, another update, how to curl your hair with a hot iron straightener, just tell me. And then I'll do an update on that. I'm pretty sure I've done one recently, so I don't think I need to do an update on it. Okay, while we're waiting, I guess we can get our hair ready. So I am going to start with the bottom of my hair. So the inside bottom. I'm going to go to my ear tops and then do this, gathering the hair to the back. And I'm going to just pull this up and into a bun. And it's going to put in a clip. Like so. Now we have the thin hair underneath that's nice and bouncy. And this is the look we're going to do today. No, I'm joking. Anyway, so this is my hair normally. I just showered last night. I didn't even brush it before I went to bed. And I brushed it this morning. This is what my hair normally looks like. So, yay! I normally don't style my hair before I do makeup videos anyways, so I'm not that concerned about it. So I'm just going to brush it out just to make sure that everything is nice. And it's still flashing red. It is really hot. So I'm going to start doing it. So I'm going to take a lock of hair, brush it out straight, and I'm going to clamp the iron down, and then I'm just going to go down like so. It looks pretty straight for the first time. So I'm going to put that down for a second. Yeah, it looks pretty straight for the first time. I'm just going to go over it one more time though. Look at that. That's pretty straight. Yeah. It's pretty straight. Now I'm going to just get this out of the way because, yeah. And I'm going to gather another lock of hair and do the same thing and continue to get the other lock of hair into my hair somehow. Go over here. Go. It's still flashing red. It hasn't flashed green yet, so I'm just assuming that maybe it doesn't flash green. I'm just going to take my brush, because it's very hot, and just going to brush it through. See if everything is good. I'm going to just put it up. Like that. Isn't it beautiful, guys? That is actually a unique look. What a unique look. Last chunk of hair. That is really hot. Hot, 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 hot. And I have this like a little strand here that I forgot. I guess I just didn't get it. So I'm just going to go over it once. Ta-da. Now that we got that side done, it was that simple, that fast, because it was just a lower part. Ta-da! So this is the straightened side, and this is the non-straightened side. So I'm just going to do this side without talking, maybe fast forward it, and then I'll be back shortly to do the top. And now we got the bottom hair done. Now we're going to do the top hair. So I'm just going to move the bottom hair out of the way by putting it back. I'm going to brush it out. Like so. And then I'm going to gather the thicker hair. And I'm going to gather one side. Like, which side should I do first? I guess I'll do this side first. I'm just going to gather that up and pin it up, and then we have our next side. Now I'm going to brush it out. I'm going to start with the back this time. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to gather a length of hair. I'm gathering a little bit thicker amount. I want to see how good the hair straightener can do with a thicker amount of hair. Some hair straighteners can't seem to do a thicker amount of hair. But let's see. Well, that looks pretty good. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Put that back there, gather another amount of hair, as much as you think your hair straightener can handle. Brush it out. Like so. Put it back. Gather another length of hair. Brush it out. Like so, and then put that to the side, and then yeah, just gonna keep doing that. Push this back. Brush it. That is super hot. Like, I'm surprised at how hot that is. Usually, I'm used to heat when it comes to my hair because I have such thick hair. But that is hot. Like so. Now we got one side done. I'm going to quickly do this side and I'll be back to see you soon. And this is the finished product. So I'm just going to turn this off now. It never turned green, this light. It just keeps flashing red. And you just turn it off by clicking until you've gotten through all the temperature gauges. So I'm just going to put that down. So it never turned green. That was really a surprise to me. So what do I think of the product? Well, it did its job. My hair is straight. Most hair straighteners tend to make my hair look greasy for some reason afterwards. This looks nice and healthy. Like I just came out of the shower and it was already straight. Well, not came out of the shower, but like it's dried after a shower, you know what I'm saying? So I like it a lot. I like how it worked. Do I think it's worth the price? I normally don't use cheaper hair straighteners because I've always gotten hair straighteners that are more expensive. One was a collab with Nicole Guerrero and Bellamy Hair. So that was an expensive one, and this is the next expensive one. So do I think it's worth the price? Well, if you really do get 70% off, then I do think it's worth the price. Remember, Amateur Aries 70, so you can get 70% off. Yeah, it heated up fast. It's really hot still. The temperature gauge, you have to click the power button to get to the temperature you want, and it does work. So yeah, maybe I'll do an updated how to curl your hair with a hair straightener with this product. What do you guys think? So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was simple to follow. I hope I gave the instructions properly. I know I probably butchered a lot of words and kind of had issues talking today. I just am in a rush. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more videos on makeup, hair, and mental health, keep on watching, like, comment, and subscribe.